Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and it's the time for another challenge. Yes, we are going to have an if challenge. In the past few videos I told you about the about how to use if conditions and how to use the keywords and or in them to use multiple conditions. And in this video I'll give you a challenge which includes the usage of all the concepts which we have learned and make a program on them. So let's go to our blocks.py file, and I'll just increase the font size and comment out the previous code. So I had written the challenge previously and I'll just paste it here. So what the challenge is that we have to write a small program to ask for a name and age from the user, and when both the values have been entered, we have to check that if the person is right age to go on an trip which is for the age group of 18 to 30. Their age must be over 18 and less than 31. If they are, then we have to welcome them to the party, and if they are not, then we have to refuse them that you are not eligible and you are underage or overage. So it's a very easy program. Think about it, deliver your mind, and in the next video we'll be discussing the solution. Till then, keep programming and I'll catch you in the next one.
Sometimes I struggle in this place, been in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I struggle in this place, people look